Okay, so hello everyone, very good evening, all of you. Welcome to the live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So, I hope you all are doing super good at your ends. You all are staying safe at your ends as well. So, yeah, let me know everyone, how are you people doing? Hi Rahul, Pranam. Thank you for coming over here. I hope you are doing good. Hi Om, very good evening. I hope you are doing good. Um, oh, Sandeep, it's okay. Good night. I can see you. Very good evening. Okay. Hey Neeraj, Radhe Radhe, welcome to the live stream. Hi Ankit, welcome to the live stream. Great everyone. So I hope you all are doing super good at your ends. You all are doing very, very, very good, I guess. Hi Lonolet, welcome to the live stream. So super excited guys. Actually I am very, very, very excited really because it's a long time we have done any proper live stream. It's very, very, very long up till now, right? So very, very, very much excited to go over here. Very much excited to do out this live stream and everything. Okay. Okay, Suraj, very good evening. Very good evening. Welcome to live stream. Okay, Om, good to hear that you're doing amazing. And yeah, I'm doing super good. Thank you. Thanks a lot for asking. Hey, Nikhil, welcome to live stream. Hi, Mohammed Usman, welcome to live stream. Hi, everyone. Yeah, actually, after a long time, and I'm literally very, very, very happy to join this live stream over here. Because it's like very, very, very long that we have done out any proper live stream up till now. So yes, it is super good to have over here you all of you. Hi Shaimin, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. Great everyone. So yeah, today's project is a little very special sort of a project. So my project is today only actually what I have planned right now. Right now I am like into my hometown, right? So here the internet availability and everything is quite very, very, very okay. So what I have planned is that we can do the live streams alternate days. Means if I'm having it today on Friday, I'll again have it on Sunday, then I'll again have it on Tuesday, we'll again have it on Thursday. In this manner we will have in the live streams, okay, alternate days. So maybe in 1 week we can have around three live streams. So that's how the things are currently planned out, and yeah, that is what it is over here. Okay. Shaiman, this is all from your support, guys. Like you people support me out a lot everywhere. So yeah, just because of this is only the result of all of those particular things. Okay, Swapnil, ma'am, I'm from pharma background and looking for data analyst or science. Can you suggest something? Okay, Swapnil, so if you have interest in data sciences, analysts in all of those respective cases, so you can like basically you can go for any particular sort of a course, as in any course which is related to your complete data science, right? You can go to that any of the particular courses, and you can take part into any of the course. You can start learning from that, and maybe right now the courses which are into the market, they provide you the placement assistance also, right? So you can go ahead and apply for the same if you're looking for the roadmap, that basically what's the roadmap for data science and everything. So for that you can visit our roadmaps playlist, and to that I have already explained about the data analyst, data science, all the roadmaps, what are the skills needed, everything. So you can go ahead and check out those respective things, right? So I hope that's pretty clear to you, Swapnil. Okay, data analyst Sandeep, it will take you around 6 months to be the one. Proper 6 months with proper proper sort of like practice and everything. Okay, Nikhil, please make a video about Python. Oops. Okay, Nikhil, we already have the Python object-oriented programming videos, so you can visit out my like 10 hours of Python course, right? Into that you will get in the already will get in some things about my Python. Oops. Okay, we will discuss about these all things in a short while. Until that time, what I'll do, I'll introduce you to today's project. It's again today is one of the games. I hope you all might have listened to a Flames game, right? FLAMES. So that's quite a game which we'll be making up today. We'll be designing up today over here, and yeah, we will be doing up this task with this particular game. It's quite very interesting game if you have listened about it any time. So that is what we'll be making up over here. Okay, so yeah, so what we will do is that I'll start a little bit with the project, and then I'll take all of your questions. Okay, so let's start out with the project over here, which we have in our plan for today. Okay, what I'll do first of all, I'll just okay, yeah, first of all, what I'll do, I'll just very simply write about the project, write about the program. Then we'll just see if we want to convert it into the tkinter, or if we do not want to convert it to tkinter, we'll see that afterwards. Okay, for now I'm going to make up a simple, very simple one. Okay, Pankaj, I'm going to use up the pycharm IDE. So yes everyone, the IDE which I am using, that's pycharm. Now you can use any IDE of your choice. Take it your pycharm, Jupyter, Sublime, Visual Studio Code, anyone, anything. Okay, great. So let's start out with this particular one. So what I'll do, I will first of all let you know that what is this game all about, how will this work. So here what we will be having, up FLAMES, flames, right? It is sort of a game which will help you to depict up a relationship between two people, right? If you put in two names, let's say A and B, right, between them what is relationship, this is sort of that kind of a game. So again, it's all for the sake of for the sort of fun only, nothing to be serious or nothing like that to be over here, right? So this is what we have into this respective game. So it will all go about that if you have this condition or this condition, then this will printed, otherwise that will be printed, right? So we'll be counting the common characters basically into your names. With the help of the counting of those common characters, the things will work. So it's all about that same thing, right? So this is how we will be going ahead and working onto this particular one, right? So let's get started up here, guys. Okay, what I'll do, I'll first of all write in my one of the functions, let's say def, and the function name is this flames. That is again the name of my game only, right? So I'm just writing up this particular as my function name also. Bracket, I'm going to take two parameters n1 comma n2, right? That two parameters into the, like this, you can say that passing the arguments in my function. That is what I'm drawing up over here, right? n1 comma n2, name 1 and my name 2, right? That is the one thing. Getting down, I have here, let's say name str as my variable. Into that I'm going to add up my n1 and n2. Both the names which I have in, first of all I'll just add in both of the names, right? First of all, this is what is needed up to be done. Simply we have this function made out, and we have two parameters passed in over here, n1 and your n2. So name str, into that we are having n1 plus n2, right? And n1 is basically my name 1 and n2 is basically my name 2, which we have up over here, right? So I hope that everyone might have written up to now. Let's write that down, all of you, and let me know if these two lines are clear to everyone. Okay, so आपने need to join any top institute only, or from YouTube and Coursera is helpful for self-paced. See, Swapnil, if you even need a proper type of certification in that case, so yeah, in that particular one you need to refer out any institute respectively. But if you do not need anything like that, and it's just I just want to be actually very random, okay, and you just want to learn and go for these skills, yeah, in that case you can refer up your YouTube also, right? But yeah, if you need a proper course, go for any respective institute or something. Okay. Sandeep, कितना time लेना पड़ेगा? Sandeep, every day you need to devote 2 to 3 hours very concentrately over the data analyst, right? Every day. Okay, Python, best way for practicing Python. Okay, best way for practicing Python. See, it's all about that, or you can refer to any book or any website, right? Try picking in the questions from there where you have the questions which are all related to your I'll say which you have the answers or the solutions also of, right? Refer to those particular questions. Try to build up the logic onto your own. First of all, try to give in half an hour, 1 hour to the questions which you have it. If those are worked upon, that's well and good. Otherwise, you can once check out your solution for the same. So this will even help you to build up the logic and all of the particular things, right? Okay, hi Rohan, welcome to live stream. I hope you are doing good. And yeah, it's been a very long time that we are doing up the live streams over here, right? So yeah, but I hope that further now, maybe for next 1 or 2 weeks, we won't have any issues while doing the live streams, and everything is gonna go good, right? So perfect. Okay, here we are done with this declaring of the variable and everything. So now I'm going to put up a for loop, right? So let's say for C in my variable name str, okay? So for C is my respective variable, that is going to be now my iterables, means my iterating loop, right? C is my iterating loop that you can say is working as an index variable, right? So that is the one thing. And I'm going to put up my conditions that if name str, that is my respective variable, okay, that I have made for adding in my both of the names, for which we are going to check out this game for. So if name str dot, if I'm going to use a count function, right, and I'm going to count out that what are the total number of characters, or I can say that C is acting as a loop for me, right? So from C, it will start from a loop. So up till how many loops it will run. That is what my C will represent. So I'm going to check that if my name is here. It means that in my name, if the adding of n1 and n2, it is not equal to 1. Right? If it is not equal to 1. So now I am going to replace out the C, that is my iterable, with some of the empty space. So I now am going to count out that what the common characters or common letters into my both the names, right? So that is first of all I'll be counting. So let's say it's going to be again that name str is equal to name str dot, I'm going to use up the replace function, right? Bracket, I have this C again, which we have mentioned in my for loop, C comma, and this is my empty which we have in, that is I'm going to add up over here, right? Now that is what is being done up into this respective line. I'll even try to give it up a comment so that you are clear with that. So in this line, the things which is being done is that the common letters are replaced by blank space, right? So the main idea behind this respective program, this respective game, is that we just try to check in that how many common characters we are having. Okay, how many common characters we have in both of the names. Let's say if I take a name AAA and a second name as let's say BAB, right? So into that I have only one common character, that is my A. That I'll replace in with a blank space. Right, that is one thing which we do up over here. So I hope up till this particular place, am I clear with all the things which I have mentioned? So if you can help me out with the same. Okay, Dheeraj ma'am, you do live classes frequently. Kindly tell more about the schedule. Okay, so Dheeraj, the schedule is all about that. On a regular basis, my live streams are only on Saturdays, 10 p.m. in the night. But currently I have been traveled to my hometown for 1-2 weeks, right? For 10-15 days I'm into my hometown. So here I'm going to do up the live streams every day simultaneously. It means that one after the other day. Let's say the live streams are today, okay? Next live stream is going to be on Sunday, then on Tuesdays, then on Thursday, then on Saturday. Like that we will be having live streams. Just leaving one day, we will be having up the live streams up till first. After that we'll see how does it goes. But yeah, I'll be updating you all the stuffs with my channel only, so you can stay tuned over here. I hope that's pretty much clear. Okay, so I hope and that is my game. The name for my respective game. I'm gonna write it in a manner. Let's select this. Great. So I am gonna print out this one of the statements as soon as my program is being run out or the things, right? Now, here now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try writing in the full forms of this flames game which we are having up over here. So I'm gonna print in and I'm gonna write it in such a manner that if it's gonna refer to your friend, okay, n backslash n, I'm gonna write in for L. L will be your love, okay, and backslash n, I'm gonna write A. That is gonna refer to your affection, okay. FLA backslash n. Next we are having M. That is gonna refer to marriage, okay, comma FLAME, okay. Next we are having backslash NE, right, and that's gonna be the enemy, 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 and S, okay, comma we are having backslash N and it's gonna be S, and that will refer to my siblings. Okay, siblings, right? Great. So what I did, I just very simply try to write down the full form for this FLAMES adds my flames game, and that's just for the sake of making my program look a little easier. Okay, nothing like that. Okay, Nikhil, is S for single? I am not sure. Is S for single or anything? Okay, I guess it's for siblings. If you can verify that and let me know. Okay. Great. Fine. That is all done. Now, further what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write up number. Right, so number. And I'm going to count out the length for first of all my name str, into which I have added both of the names for which I am going to found in the final relationship of, right? So len, and here I'm having name str. I am gonna divide that by 6. Why 6? Because my flames, my game, it is having in total 6 characters, right? FLAMES, these are in total 6 characters, and that's the reason I am dividing the length of my names by 6. Okay, cool. Right, and now what this will do, it will actually help me to move in through the complete flames, right? So it will be, it is a number to move through flames, right? There's a number which can move in through the flames, like that it is all over, right? Now what will I do? I will just try to take in up a respective variable, let's say that is REL, right? And for now I'm going to assign that as blank. Nothing for now, I'm going to add in over here. And now the reason for the same is because REL is like referring to my relationship between those two names, right? Now REL, that is my rel, that is empty right now, because further what I'm going to do, I am going to check out the numbers. Number means that if the length of my my respective name, if percentage to that is 6, whatever is the result, right? Whatever is the result according to that. So I am going to find out the result and I'm going to compare it with my conditions, right? I hope you are getting me very clearly that what I'm trying to do. First of all, I had printed out all of my respective things which I wanted to get printed, right? Then we have a variable, let's say that is my number. Now into that what I am doing, I'm just counting the length of the name which we have, and I'm taking the percentage of 6, right? Now it will help me to move through the numbers, right? What it will do, whatever is my remainder, right? Whatever is my remainder over here, it will help me to get that remainder value, and into that whatever is the result, it will help me to give that, if you are getting up the things. If basically I have a remainder as 1, so it will print in friends for me. If I have a, let's say, remainder 3, it will print in affection for me. If I have a remainder 4, it will print marriage for me. So that is how this idea behind this particular games work out. This is how, what is the logic about this particular game. Right, so I hope you might have got this particular thing. If you can clear me over the chat once, or if you're clear with the same. Okay. Okay, Ghanshyam with data science, ma'am. BA economics can be data scientist. Yeah, Ghanshyam, actually, this data science, it is one of the fields where anyone can come from any respective technical background or non-technical background. So that's never a matter of concern. If you want to go into data analyst or data science, any of the fields like that, right? So it's never a concern. So yeah, you can surely enter into this particular field. Yeah, okay, fine, everyone. So if you can give me a confirmation, I'm clear with the same to you all. Great. Now I have that if, that number which I have written up over here. Now if my number is equal to 1, right? So in that case, I am going to write rel plus is equal to, and I'm going to add up over here as friends. 1 second, I just need to make up over here like this. Right. Now, if the number which is left out, means if I have done this operation, so whatever is the number is left out, whatever is the number which is stored into this variable, if that is equal to 1. So in that case, I am going to update this relationship as friends. Right. Again, the same manner, I am going to put up into the further elif. Now, if the number which I have is equal to, let's say, 2, right? Now, into that I have rel plus is equal to, and let's say, then in that case it's gonna be love, right? Next I have again elif, and the number is equal to 3, right? So now again this time it's gonna be rel plus is equal to a, that is gonna be my affection, right? 1 second. Great. Again my elif condition we go, and if my number is now equal to 1 second, if now it is equal to 4, if lam, okay, so this time it's gonna be rel plus is equal to, and marriage, right? Again it will go my elif condition. Now elif the number is equal to 5. In that case, I guess the condition was flame. Okay. So rel plus is equal to, I'm going to write as enemy for e. And next will be my else condition. Right. So into that else condition, I'll just try to write in. Okay, I can add one more elif condition. Elif number is equal to 6. Oh, 1 second. I didn't put that. And now if the number is equal to 6, in that case rel plus is equal to, and that be siblings, right? So this is what we will be writing up the like it all about, right? It's just key, like here we are just like trying to find in what is the respective result for my length of my numbers, which is being divided out by 6, right? Whatever is my remainder is, based over that particular remainder, we are just trying to find out that what is the respective relation between the two people. This is how, what is the logic behind this particular game. I know this game is quite very famous. So that is what is the logic behind it. Right, I hope you're trying to get in what I'm trying to say over here. Okay, Animesh, Didi, I have a doubt. You learned data science from which course? See, Animesh, I would be very much happy to tell you people about this particular thing. But right now, what's the But right now what is the idea is that currently there is no such a particular course which is like that is not available in the market from the platform, from the startup which I have done. They are right now not having their data science course in the market. Right, so once they have released out that course once again, I'll for sure let you know about that, and I'll be more than happy that you people go and learn from that particular course. But like before that, I just want to mention one thing, that you can either take any of the courses which are currently into the market. Right, all of the courses are quite good. Right, it will just depend on that what sort of a practice you are doing and how much efforts you are putting into that. Right? But yeah, if that particular course which I did have taken, if that comes live into the market, I'll for sure let you all know about the same. Mohammed Usman, why rel plus, why not just rel? Okay, see Mohammed Usman, the reason is that because here I have kept this rel as empty. Now I want to update this rel to any of the values. So in that case, I need to do rel is equal to rel plus that respective one. So into that, this rel will be updated as with the respective of my relationship between that particular person. Right? That is what is the idea. Okay, Rohan Raj ma'am, my friend is from geography and he's asking about the scope of data science. Can you guide him? See, Rohan, like the scope of data science, as I told you, that it's not bounded to any of the fields. If you are a person from a technical field or if you're a person from a non-technical field, so into that particular case, any person can take up this respective course for the data science or data analyst, whatsoever you wish to. It's just that if you are from a non-technical background, means either geography or any other sort of a background, so you require a proper certification as in, because you will not have a degree for BTech or something like that if you are from geography particularly, and geography, if that is your mainstream, right, in that case you will not have any respective sort of the degree or anything about the computer science. So if you're non-technical, so in that case you need a proper certification from any either online institutes or online platforms, a proper certification of 6 to 8 or 10 months that will guide you to the complete data science or data analyst course. Right? So that's the thing, and yeah, for sure you can come into this particular field. It's one of the most booming fields right in the market. So yeah, you can enter this out. Okay, Dheeraj, Adam Mohammed Usman, rel plus is equal to means rel is equal to rel plus. Yeah, that's so true. That's so true, Dheeraj. That is the correct explanation which you gave. Well done. Perfect. So here we have just written up all of the particular things about the numbers and everything. Next, what is now needed is that I'll just write an else, right? And I'll simply try to pass in from here, right? So if all of the things are there, then well and good. Otherwise, simply leave up that particular one. And I am going to return up the rel. So because I even need to print in that what is the respective relationship between this particular one, between these two names, or the things like that. Right, so simply return and then will go my rel. Fine. Now coming out of my function, the function which we have declared up till now, coming out of that particular function, I will write in my I'll take in my inputs from the user, right? So I'm going to write n1 is equal to, I'm going to take in the input from the user. So input, I'm going to enter the name. Okay, enter. Okay, I'm going to write in the manner that enter the first name. Now, it might happen that maybe anyone of you asked me out the question that why I didn't put out any data type in the starting, because I'm taking the input. But let me remind you that whenever in Python you are taking up any particular input, right? So if it is a string, if it is a characters, if it is a alphabet, so you did not need out any data type in the starting. So it means that in Python, if you put the if you do not put out any data type in the starting, it will automatically take that in the string format. That is what is the respective idea. Now that is the exact reason that why I haven't put out str in the starting before like taking the input from the user. Okay, so I hope that is pretty clear to you. Dot, now I'm going to convert that to upper case, right? So that any type of like any type of nothing sort of error or anything occurs. Error will not occur, but yeah, it looks good when everything is in caps or everything is in small, right? So that is the reason I'm just writing this dot upper function. Again, I'm going to take in the input for my second user. So it is equal to input, and again I'm going to write into the second name, right? Great. And again I'm going to convert that to the uppercase, so upper. So here again I'm not going to add on the string, and again the reason is the same which I have mentioned, that whenever you are taking the input from the user in Python, so you do not need out any type of any type of the data type to be mentioned in the starting. And accidentally, if any time you forget about mentioning any data type in the starting of any particular input from the user, so that is going to be automatically taken up into the string format, right? So if like always make sure, always be very case sensitive while taking up input from the users, right? Perfect. And now I'm going to print up over here, I'm going to use up the f strings. So basically I can write in that your relationship is, right? And okay, not like that, I can just put it up into these brackets. I can call in my functions which I have used above, and I'm going to write n1 comma n2. Okay, so yeah, that is what is being done up over here. So it will help me to print in the final statement. So what is completely happening up, I'll give you a very quick idea about the same. So we have just declared up a function, that is my flame functions over here, right? I have passing two variables n1 and n2. So here I have done passing the parameters into my function. Okay, or you either say argument also, not matters. Then we have the variable name str, that is equal to your n1 and it is equal to your n2. So I'm just adding out both the names. Fine. Further, we have just simply applied up a loop for c in the name str. Now this loop, what it is doing, it is only and only helping me to count in the common characters. And it will help me to replace up that common characters by any blank space, right? So that is all the idea about the same. Then I wanted two statements to be printed like that, so as to make it a little clear. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Further, what I'm doing, I want a number to move through the frames. It means that I want that if 1 is there, or if 2 is there, or if 3 is there, so that this will be my respective result. So I'm just simply tracking the length of my names, and I'm just trying to divide it by 6. That's what all I'm trying to do. And I'm taking up a variable that is rel. For now, I'm keeping that empty. And why I am keeping that empty? Because further I am going to put up my different conditions, and just based over those respective conditions, it will help me to get in my desired result or my desired output. So right, if the number is equal to 1, then this is going to come. If number is equal to 2, this is then 3 affection, 4 marriage, 5 enemy, 6 siblings, right? And if the number is not belonging to any of these numbers, then see, if it is not belonging, it can be only 3 numbers, which can be 4 numbers, either 0, 7, 8 or 9, right? So if those are the respective numbers which are over there, so to that particular case you can simply pass, right? You can simply write else pass, so it will exit out from your program. And here that particular rel, that is my variable, is getting simply returned out. Then even I wanted to enter the name, so I just want to input the first and the second name over here, right? So the relationship between them is this FLAMES flames n1 comma n2, right? Now that is what we have up over here, right? So now what's the time for? The time is for running out my respective programs to run. Okay. Now let's say I want to enter in up the first name. What do I enter? Okay. Okay, I'll just enter anything like that. Okay. Now what about my second name entering? Let's say I'm gonna write AABB. Fine, and I'm gonna hit out enter. Now see what is happening. What in total I have in my, first of all, these two things, right? These two are getting replaced by blank, right? Now in that case, in my second name I have only two characters, which is BB, and into my first name again I have only two characters, which is AA, right? So this AA and this BB. Now if I divide 4 by 6, what will result? We will get nothing, because we do not have anything for that. It's a fractional number and it's gonna be in points. That is the reason I am not getting any relationship over here, right? Okay, what I'll try to do, I'll just try to give in something logical so that it gets us some respective results. 1 second. Okay, let's say I write A, second I do it B, right? So see, now I just got a respective result that it is love. Now why? Because I have entered over here that if number is equal to 2. So my number means this is 2, right? And that's the reason I am getting up over here this particular result, right? We can rerun this particular program once. Let's check out what happens next. So let's say this time I have A, B, C and D, E, F, right? Hit out enter. Again I got nothing. Now in total I have 6 characters and I do not have any condition over here properly for the 6, and all of those are different. That is the reason we are just simply getting out this respective result over here, right? Great. So I hope I am pretty much clear with the same to everyone, that what is being worked up over here, like how this particular program is working, right? I'll just waiting for 1 or 2 minutes over here now for everyone to clearing up your doubts about this particular program. That if you have any questions, yeah, you can please ask me out in the chat box. I'll be really happy to answer out those for you all. Now this particular program, it could be made much more better. You can convert this into a GUI. GUI means you can use the tkinter library as well over here, and you can very simply convert it into a GUI. So once it will be converted into the GUI, in that case you can add up some buttons, you can add up some labels, right? You can add up some more features over here, right? Features as in, first of all, can be a button which will help you to get the result. Other can be that do you want to retry, right? Or one can be about deleting the text so that you again and again need not to run. Once you click on that delete button, once you click over that delete button, it will simply help you out to get in the respective result, right? So once you click the delete button, it will erase up the names for the particular ones, right? That type of, or yeah, you can add up a refresh button instead of delete, which will help you to refresh up the complete page so that whatever is the written text that might get erased or anything like that. Great. Okay, Dheeraj. Remove for loop, how does it make any difference? See, Dheeraj, if I'm going to remove up the for loop, so let's say the scenarios which I have taken up over here, right? Into that particular scenarios, we do not have any, let's say, common characters, right? But there can be many names into which we can have common characters. I can't take any person's name over here because it might not sound much good. That is why I'm taking some AB. Right, but let's say if you take any general person's name, any two-person name you take in, right? If you have any common characters into it, 6, right? In that case, it will make up a lot of problem for me. I won't get out any relationship between any two people, right? I hope you are trying to you're getting what I'm trying to say over here, right? So yeah. Into that case, it will always give me something greater than 6. Might happen the remainder is greater than 6, and I'm just not taking anything like that, right? So that is a respective one from where you can use up this particular for loop. Try giving in some general characters or some general names at your end, right? Try giving any two-person name, whosoever you know. Try giving their names. Try to count in what are the common characters into those two names. Okay, replace those with the blank spaces or cut out those characters from there. Now check in what are the left out characters over there. Count out those left out characters, divide that by 6, and now check in what will be the result. That is the exact how it is working. Fine. Okay, Nikhil, how to convert .py into APK? Okay, Nikhil, for that I guess I have already made out a video, but okay, if not, so what I'll do, I'll just try to prepare a quick video for the same. Or once we meet on Sunday's live stream, I'll help you out with how do we convert PY to APK as well. Okay. How to get free Python certificate? See, Nikhil, there's a lots of, like, I am very constantly putting the videos about the internships, about the free certifications of the lots of courses. Right now I have put down a recent video that was yesterday only, which is a like internship into which you get paid rupees 3000 per day, right? So that type of videos I am very constantly putting onto my channel. So you can just go out and check out those particular videos at your end also, right? Into that you might get some free certifications also, like next video which is coming tomorrow, it will be having some free certification or some internship thing. So you can stay tuned to watch out that video tomorrow, and you will get in the things over there, right? Okay, I'm sorry Dheeraj, but I can't take any person's name over here as an example. But if I take this particular name, you just cut R and A from there, and you can count H, N and J, and count in H, N and J divided by 6, and you will get the result. Okay, that is how you can work up over here as a result. Okay, so I hope that makes sense over here to you, Dheeraj, about the result. R and A and R and A will get cut. O, H, N and J will be the respective one which is left out, and you can divide it by 6. Okay. Hi Dee, I am in class 9. Myself Shikir from Lucknow. Hi Shikir, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Great everyone. So what I'll tell you that currently what is going on to the channel. Currently the plan is a little changed right now. Okay, as we were getting the videos previously, it's not gonna be like that same. We have changed out a plan a little bit. So like let's say today we have the live stream, so tomorrow you will get in some internship or some placement assistance regarding videos, as like placement is very much new, right? Internships are also over there for the third year, fourth year people, right? So you can just check out those videos. You will have a multiple opportunities for your internships and for your basically placements, right? For your certifications of the courses, everything you'll get in onto the others particulars. And next to that day we'll be having up the live streams. DSA videos are gonna come on every Sundays now. Okay, every Sundays the DSA will be continued as they were continuing it previously. So that is what all is currently going on onto the channel, and if further any sort of changes or anything like that happens, I'll inform you all about the same, right? But for now, tomorrow any internship video will come, and on Sunday again we'll be meeting live stream with the things. Even I want to have one thing with you people, that is if people can suggest me into the any of our recent videos or anywhere, that what type of live streams further you want me to continue or you want me to take in, right? So you can give me your suggestions, and based over that we can have the live streams as well, right? If any suggestions are there into which you want me to more take the live streams for, or you want me to more include the live streams, so we can have up this things. We can just consider those in the live streams, and I can further take that. Okay, Nikhil, free internship or online or offline? Nikhil, there are multiple opportunities. You can just check out that video. Okay, I guess this one which recently was yesterday, that was an online internship. That was a online. Okay, so you can just check out some past 1-2 weeks of videos. I have put down multiple internships in that, right? So you can go ahead and see out those all, and basically according to your need you can fill out the forms and go ahead for your interviews. Okay, great everyone. So I hope you all are pretty much clear with all the stuffs which we had in, or which we had discussed in. After a long time we had a long live stream as well, and it was so good to have you all over here. So I guess we are all done for today. I guess whatever the questions you people had, I had cleared all of those, and if anything is left out, you can come and join me on Sunday and we can again have the same discussions. So if you haven't subscribed out my channel up to now, go ahead everyone, please subscribe out my channel. Do watch out the videos, because lots of videos are over there for data science. If you want to be a data scientist, data analyst, ML engineer, any of these particular fields, you can go ahead, check out my all of the videos, my playlist about the same, right? Okay, on my Instagram, that is Shambhavi underscore Gupta 4. Okay, you can find me on Instagram as Shambhavi underscore Gupta 4. And yeah, you can connect with me over Insta as well. My LinkedIn handle, that is your Shambhavi Gupta. You can search me as Shambhavi Gupta over LinkedIn. You'll get me over there. Channel you all know over where you are attending live stream. Okay, so thanks a lot everyone. Thank you so much guys for joining in this live stream. It was so awesome to have you people over here. Looking forward to see you all on Sunday as well for the further upcoming live stream. So thank you everyone. Bye bye guys and take care. Okay, very good night Nikhil. Bye everyone. Okay Rohan, thanks a lot. I'm very glad that you enjoyed the session and most welcome. So yeah, bye bye everyone. Bye, take care guys. Have a great week ahead.